Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So it is the next day, and we're just kind of starting to look into this beast here. Threw a battery in it. We've already turned it over gently by hand. She turns over nicely. So just going to see what it'll do with a battery. This one does have some rust here and there. Rockers need to be done. A couple other spots like that right there. But again, I mean, 59 Coupe, you got to save them when you can find them. I have a new passenger fender for the other side, and have new rockers in the back here that have already been ordered and put with the car. The cool thing about this car is it is the Iverness green. So I really like the color. It's that green color right there. Somebody had painted it white after that, but the white is flaking off everywhere. So it's not like super, it's not thick anymore, in other words. And it's only had two paints in its whole life, original paint and then the white. So that's good. But I'm going to show you guys this car more in detail. Around the trunk rail is in good shape. Got some extra brake drums there, it looks like. And lots of extra parts over there in that box. We're going to start pulling everything out and going through it. I'm going to get that door open here in a minute. But anyway, if anybody is interested, my phone number will be in the video. This car will be for sale. So, yeah, we're just going to start getting into it and seeing what we have. Thanks for joining the video. So we just put a battery in the car and the windows do work. So I got all those down. That one works over there. I just put it back up because we're getting ready to pressure wash the car. That one's down over there. You guys can see the seats, that it needs a good cleaning right now. And the dash, when I bought the car, was in the car. And I can show you guys pictures. I'm a little mad. The guy cheated me. So he took the dash out before the car got picked up and gave it to a friend of his for his 59. So that's lovely. But anyway, is what it is. Deal with that later. So, got a battery in it. I'm gonna see if it turns over here in a minute. Like I said, we turned it over nice and gently by hand first, but gonna start pressure washing. Thank you for joining me on the first wash video of this old girl. The next video, we're going to see if it'll turn over or do anything. We've already turned it by hand, nice and slowly, like we always do, so that we don't hurt anything. But it looks a lot better than it did when it got here already. So, very happy about that. Unfortunately, I am missing that piece of trunk trim. The previous owner said that it would be included in the purchase, and then he didn't include it, along with skirts and hubcaps. So, like I said, that's going to have to be another thing I'm going to have to deal with. But I didn't get everything that I was promised with the car for the cost that I bought it for. So anyway, it is what it is, and this girl needs somebody to rescue it and restore it. It is the original color of Inverness green, and I will put the paint code and the paint chart in the end of the video so you guys can see that. It is a very rare color, and it needs to be put back to its former glory. But anyway, the next video will be dedicated to the engine, and we're going to see if she'll start up. Thanks for joining. See you guys next time.